Raw power, homemade hazards, and cutting-edge engineering all crash together in today's lineup. Get ready for heavy-duty splitters, bold DIY machines, and high-end processors pushing firewood, cutting to unbelievable extremes. The Robot Zwilog 520 is a major leap in firewood processing tech. With a 520mm cutting diameter and a 22-ton splitting force powered by ISO Power's variable speed system, it's built for heavy professional workloads. Its carbide-tipped circular saw and linear hydraulic drive deliver fast, precise cuts every time. Operator comfort is front and center thanks to an ergonomic control station with a soundproof cabin, climate control, heating, and air conditioning. Wow. I didn't expect a truck axle to work as part of a wood splitter. That's some wild creativity. The cone bites into the log like it's nothing, making the whole job look easy. But those spinning edges are no joke. Building it this way seems pretty risky, don't you think? What a smart setup. No more killing your back lifting huge logs. Just roll them in, split them clean, and stack them neatly under the shelter. This guy built a woodcutter right in his backyard. Setting it up was a lot of work, but using it is surprisingly easy and safe. I'm sure he'll keep improving this impressive machine. The classic wood lift paired with the homemade lickety separator is a brilliant mix of old-school ingenuity and modern efficiency. The speed and output are impressive, and your setup, especially that table, shows real craftsmanship and precision. This is incredible. The Petzolato PTH 1400/1000 all-road shows true human ingenuity. With its 700 HP Volvo engine, it handles 800mm logs and produces 380 cubic meters of wood chips per hour, a real feat of efficiency and innovation. The lifting and rotating cabin, plus the crane, makes full control effortless, showing You know what really stands out? That small cutting table. The machine is handy, but the table slows things down. If it were a bit wider, logs would slide through easier, and your back would thank you. Sometimes the smallest detail makes the biggest difference. At first, you'd think this setup was just for show, but watch it in action. This homemade splitter turns logs into firewood like it's nothing. It's almost funny how something so simple can be so reliable. Makes you do a double take, doesn't it? Drop a 1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support keeps our creativity burning. Imagine cutting hours of work down to minutes. This machine actually does it. It turns firewood prep into a fast, almost effortless job. More speed, more time, better results. It's a fantastic machine, though a hand safety guard would make it perfect. It really was a nice mid-century modern house. What a shame. At least no one was hurt. See that tree? Big problem. It caught fire and started leaning over the road like it was about to fall. Taking it down wasn't easy. It was risky and complicated. If it dropped, the road would have been done for, and it could have caused a serious accident. Cutting it down was the only option. In the US, You don't gamble with safety. At the exhibition, the Frick sawmill really stood out. Its precisely engineered blade and perfectly tuned gears sliced through dense, aged timber effortlessly, a rare showcase of true craftsmanship. Wow, felling that huge poplar against the wind looked risky enough, and then the excavator pushing from behind made it even more intense. I was holding my breath, especially with that 15 kilovolt line so close. One wrong move and it could have gone badly. A crazy mix of tension and skill. Picture this, an 80-ton splitter on an agri chassis hooked to your tractor with a crane lifting logs up to a meter long. That's the Robot F80. Tough, efficient, and worth the $65,000 if you need serious wood power. Pretty impressive, right?
Okay, when I say go, go,
okay? Wow, that's a clever setup. Turning old pallet racks into a log cutting station isn't something you see every day. Add the roller conveyor and chainsaw, and it's like a mini production line. Simple but really effective. This compact firewood splitter may look small, but don't be fooled. It's powerful. It slices through even the toughest logs with ease, producing perfectly split firewood. Small but mighty, it's the perfect tool for any log, anytime. Powered by an 11.5 horsepower lawnmower engine, this custom firewood splitter combines strength and efficiency. Its careful restoration ensures fast, reliable performance, showing real mastery of machinery. There was a time when cutting wood was backbreaking, but this modern woodcutter changes everything. One flick of the switch, and it slices timber effortlessly with perfect, clean cuts. It's more than a machine. It's proof of how far woodworking has come. What's up, grinders? Ever battled a stubborn stump? A P Rentals hooked us up with this Barreto stump grinder, and we're about to put it to the test. Let's do this. Did you have a favorite? Drop it in the comments. If you loved this amazing display of power and precision, hit like and subscribe for more. See you next time.